Welcome to Story Time with Grandie. Hello to all my grands and my greats and all my friends. Today I was thinking of all the adventures I have had because of all the books that I have read in my life. So today I'm going to tell you the adventure I had after reading about becoming an astronaut. So this is Grandie's Astronaut Adventures. And a long time ago, I flew on a spaceship and I went to the moon and I got to see the beautiful stars and planets out in our solar system. But it was time to go back to Earth. So I got back in my spaceship and I headed towards our planet Earth. But on the way, I saw an alien in their ship. Oh my goodness. So I followed the alien and I went back to the alien's planet. And the alien was smiling at me, but I was scared. So the alien took me to his king, King Nanu of planet Zorg. I was a little scared, but I started talking to King Nanu, and he told me, "We have oxygen on our planet, on planet Zorg. You can take off your space suit. You can trust me." I didn't know what to do, but I didn't want to make any enemies, so I listened to King Nanu, and I took off my spacesuit. I could breathe. But then all these strange little aliens from planet Zorg came to me, and I was scared. But King Nanu said, "Don't be scared of my people. They will take good care of you." So we became friends. I had so much fun. I stayed there for so many months and learned all about planet Zorg. And before I had to leave, I remembered what happened centuries ago on Earth when the Native Americans and the Pilgrims wanted to thank each other, and they had a day called Thanksgiving. So I thought hard and I remembered on my spaceship there was food. So we made a Thanksgiving meal of food from Earth and food from planet Zorg. And King Nanu and all his people joined me in meditative prayer as we gave thanks for everything around us. And then I found it was time to go back to Earth. So I went to my spaceship and I was sad. I had to say goodbye to all my new friends. I wanted to cry. I would especially miss King Nanu because he was my friend. But I got into my spaceship and I headed home again, back to Earth. Back to my house. And now I'm back reading books again so that Grandie knows where Grandie's next adventure is. And I'll bring you more stories later on. This is Grandie saying goodnight to all my grands and my greats and all my friends. I love you. Until next time, good night.